Adjust a motorcycle clutch cable. Riding a motorcycle gives you the freedom like gliding through air. You feel that sudden rush of cool wind when you're at cruising speed. Suddenly, you have to change gears but the mechanism gets busted. You have to stop for a gas station and check what's wrong with your motorcycle. Oftentimes, this could be due to maladjusted clutch cables. A basic skill you need to know for troubleshooting is adjusting your motorcycle's clutch cable. It is vital to every rider as this allows you to change gears. What's good about this is that you do not really need to undergo strict training or need to memorize all parts of the motorcycle just to know how to adjust the clutch cable. Generally, there are two main adjustment points for your motorcycle clutch. The placement may vary per year, model and brand of motorcycle, but relatively, these 2 points are the things to consider when you need to adjust your clutch cable. Initially prepare your tools and make sure you have the right sizes for your wrench. Then trace the clutch cable from the handlebars to its engine. You will find the first adjustment point in a form of a bolt or screw near your engine connected to the clutch cable. The second adjustment point is located in the handlebar lever. This is a screw contained in a thumbwheel lock covered by a rubber boot. For the first point, determine that the gap of the clutch cable is within the recommended allowance. Note that a nickel's worth of play is recommended for the clutch cable. It's always better to have it a little loose rather than too tight. The reason is that it could break or snap when it is adjusted very tightly. Loosen one bolt on the right side of the bracket followed by the left side. See to it that you gradually adjust each bolt one at a time while checking your clutch. If you feel that the clutch is adjusted to your preference, tighten the right side only, then secure the left but not that tightened. For the second point, retract the rubber boot of the clutch cable back to show the thumbwheel lock and adjustment screws in the handlebar. The adjustment would depend on the problem with your clutch. If your clutch is slipping, carefully turn the thumbwheel lock by small increments until you feel that your clutch is working again. Remember that each point works hand in hand when you are changing gears. Adjusting both points should be considered to verify that the problem lies with your clutch cable. Knowing on how to adjust a motorcycle clutch cable is a great help when you're on the road. It is simple enough for everyone and could provide a great help as your quick fix. Now be assured that you can do something when you have clutch cable problems with your motorcycle. Adjusting it would be a breeze as if you're a professional mechanic.